Hello dear students, welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of Mathematics Target 70 Plus for SLC exam 2023. And dear students, these are very important questions for the exam, and also a few similar questions I have put for your practice, that is practice test paper. Do watch the complete video, and importantly, do try to attempt the practice test paper to test your understanding and knowledge. Dear students, do subscribe the channel, and also do join the Telegram group. I'll be posting all the important workbooks or the preparatory paper key answers and the model paper key answers. So do join the Telegram group and also do subscribe the channel. Now directly we'll move to what the worksheet 2, that is part 2 of Mathematics Target 70 Plus. Dear students, I know that exams are nearing. Without any fear, put your effort. Definitely you can score good marks. First question, write the formula to find out the area of sector of a circle if the angle at the center is theta degree. The area of sector of a circle with angle theta is given by theta by 360 degree into pi r square. The formula to find out area of sector is what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. In case of length of an arc of a circle is given by theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Second question, the solutions for the equation x plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 2, that is we need to find out the value of x and y. Given two equations are what? X plus y equals 10 and x minus y equals 2. What you can do? Add equation 1 and 2. You can cancel out the variable y, that is plus y minus y will cancel out. What we get? 2x plus x is 2x, which is equal to 10 plus 2 is 12. X equals 12 by 2 is 6. Now substitute the value of 6 in any one of the equation, that is equation 1. 6 plus y equals 10. Y equals shift plus 6 to RHS, it becomes minus 6. Therefore 10 minus 6 equals 4. So therefore x equals 6 and y equals 4. The coordinates of origin are 0, 0. If I consider point P as the origin, then coordinates of origin is P of 0, 0. Next, state basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it intersects the other two sides in the same ratio or same proportion. I'll repeat again, you can write it down. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, if I take triangle ABC, if line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, it divides or intersects the other two sides in the same ratio or proportion, that is Moving to the next question, find the number of zeros of the polynomial p of x from the given graph. See, the given graph intersects the x-axis at 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, number of zeros equals 4. The polynomial p of x intersects the x-axis at 4 point. That means the value of the number of zeros is 4. Next question, the distance between the point P of 3, 4 and the origin. The distance between the origin and the point P is given by the formula d equals square root of x square plus y square. That is x as 3, y as 4. D equals square root of what is x square, that is 3 square, y square is 4 square, what we get 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, what we get square root of 25. Square root of 25 is 5, therefore the distance between the point P 3, 4 and the origin is 5 units. What is the ratio of volume of cylinder and cone if their base and heights remains same, remaining same or remains same? We should find out the ratio of volume of cylinder by volume of cone, that is volume of cylinder divided by volume of cone. What is volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. The same way, what is volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now pi r square h and h will cancel because they have same base and height. What I get? 1 by 1 divided by 3, which can be written as what? 1 by 1 into 3 by 1, which is equal to 3 by 1. Therefore the ratio is 3:1. That means volume of cylinder is equal to 3 times volume of cone. Volume of cylinder equals 3 times the volume. If you put 3 times the volume of cone, you will get cylinder. Next question, write the formula to find out the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression whose first term is a and last term is an. So sum of n terms when the first term and last term is given. Sn equals n by 2 a plus an. The sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression whose first term is a and last term is a, where an is given by Sn equals n by 2 a plus an. Next question, if a pair of linear equations represented by the lines has no solution, that means then what kind of lines? These are parallel lines. Dear students, the table in the unit a pair of linear equations in two variable, definitely 1 or 2 mark will be asked based on the table. Try to read the table properly and try to solve more questions on those the table. If they have a unique solution, that means they are intersecting line. No solution, that means they are parallel lines. The infinitely many number of solution, that means they are coincident line. Next question, if 15 cot A equals 8, that means cot A can be written as 8 by 15. Now what is value of tan A? Tan A is reciprocal of cot. Therefore tan A equals 15 by 8. Just reciprocal it, you will get tan A. Reciprocal of the sin A is cos A. Reciprocal of secant A is, reciprocal of sin is cosecant. Reciprocal of cos is secant. Reciprocal of cot is tan. Next 2 marks important question. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression. What is the given arithmetic progression? The given AP is 2, 7, 12 and so on. The first step is find out the first term, the common difference and the value of n. The first term is 2. What is the common difference? A2 minus A1, that is 7 minus 2 is 5. We need to find the sum of 20 terms, therefore n equals 20. Sum of n terms of arithmetic progression is given by formula Sn equals n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Repeat with me. The sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is given by the formula Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now just substitute the values of a, d and n. Yes, 20 equals 20 by 2 into 2 times a is 2 into a is 2 plus what is n? N is 20 minus 1 into d is what? 5. S 20 equals 2 ones are 2 tens are. Therefore 10 times 2 into 2 is 4 plus 20 minus 1 is 19 times 3. What you get? 19 into 5. Now 10 into 4 plus 19 times 5, what we get? 19 times 5 is 95. First you should multiply, then you should add the answer with 4. 95 plus 4 is 99. Yes, 20 equals 10 into 4 plus 95 is 99. Now 10 into 99 is 990. Therefore, the sum of 20 term is 990. Very simple questions will be asked for 2 marks. Then next question, find the value of k if the points a of 2 comma 3, b of 4 comma k and c of 6 comma minus 3 are collinear. If the points are collinear, that means area of triangle is equal to 0. If the points are collinear, that means the area of triangle will be equal to 0. Now consider point A as x1, y1, point B as x2, y2, point C as x3, y3. What is area of triangle formula? Area of triangle formula equals what? Half into x. I'll write, see how I'll write, x y minus y, x y minus y plus x y minus y equals to 0. I'll write 1, 2, 3. Next, after first point what we have? 2. Next, after 2 what we have is 3. After 3, 1. First write 1, 2, 3, then 2, 3, 1, then 3, 1, 2. 3, 1, 2. 2 into 0 becomes 0. Now what is the value of x1? x1 it is 2. What is y2? y2 is k. Minus y3 is minus 3. We have minus into minus plus 3. What is x2? x2 is 4. y3 is again minus 3. Minus of y1 is 3. What is x3? x3 is 6. y1 is 3. And y2 is k equals to 0. Now 2 into k, 2k, and 2 into 3 is 6. Minus 3 is minus 6. Minus 6 into plus 4, what we get? Minus 24. Now 6 into 3, 18. Plus into minus, minus 6 into k, 6k equals to 0. Be careful when you are multiplying a monomial, binomial, or binomial and binomial. Now group the like terms, that is 2k and minus 6k. 2k minus 6k minus 24. Minus 24 plus 18, what we get is minus 6 equals to 0. Now 2k minus 6k is minus 4k. Shift minus 6 to RHS, it becomes plus 6. K equals 6 by minus 4. What you get? 3 by minus 2 or minus 3 by 2. Therefore the value of k is minus 3 by 2. This question can be asked for 3 marks, or finding the area of triangle or finding the area of quadrilateral is very important question for 2 or 3 mark question. Dear students, I have made a mistake here. Plus 6 I have ignored here. If you add plus 6 again here, minus 24 plus 18 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 will cancel out. What we get is 0. Now minus 4k equals what? What we get is 0. Now minus 4k equals 0. K equals 0 by minus 4. What we get? K as 0. we get k equals 0. So that's why do try to check the problems again and again. You should be very perfect. If you make any mistake, you should know that the mistake has happened, and you should correct in the exam itself. But try to avoid as much as mistakes in the exam. Now a die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting a number lying between 2 and 6. If a die is thrown, that is, if a dice is thrown, what is the possible outcome? All the possible outcome, you can get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. If a dice is thrown, you get all these outcomes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is n of s equals what? 6. That is, you have 6 possible outcomes when a dice is thrown. What we need to find out? We need to find out the number lying between 2 and 6. Let A be the event of getting numbers 2 and 6. Between 2 and 6, what we have is 3, 4, 5. Between 2 and 6, we have number 3, 4 and 5. Now what is n of A? N of A is 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the probability of event A is what? N of A by n of S. What is n of A? N of A is 3 and n of S is 6. What we get is the probability of event A is 1 by 2. First, you should list out all the possible outcomes, and you should list down all the favorable outcomes. Now, the probability of any event A is given by n of A by n of S, that is 3 by 6. What you get is 1 by 2. Now, evaluate 2 tan square 45 degree, 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. What is tan 45? The tan 45 value is 1 and 1 square is 1 plus cos 30 degree is what? Root 3 by 2 whole square. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 whole square plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square. You cancel out. 2 into 1 is 2. Very simple questions, and similar questions will be asked. But you should be thorough with the table from the unit Introduction to Trigonometry. Next question. Find the value of k in which one of its zeros is minus 4 of the polynomial p of x equals x square minus x minus 2k plus 2. If minus 4 is the 0 of the polynomial, that means if p of minus 4 equals to 0, if you substitute in place of x as minus 4, you get 0. That means, so in case of x value, substitute minus 4, that is minus 4 whole square minus of minus 4 minus 2k plus 2 equals to 0. Minus 4 whole square is 16. Minus into minus plus 4. Now multiply minus n. Plus into minus minus 2k plus into minus minus 2 equals to 0. Now 16 plus 4 is what? 20. 20 minus 2 is 18. Minus 2k equals to 0. Shift minus 2k, what you get? Plus 2k equals 18. Now k equals 18 by 2. What you get? K equals 9. Dear students, all these are very important concepts. Do try to download the worksheet and do join the Telegram group. Do try to solve all the possible question, arithmetic progression 3-mark question, quadratic equation 3-4 mark question, and introduction to trigonometry 3-mark question, applications of trigonometry questions, surface areas and volume questions. All these questions I have already posted the videos for previous year. Same concept will be repeated in the exam. Do try to watch all those videos and try to practice all these questions. Definitely you can score good marks. This is the practice paper. Similar questions I have put. do try to download. And the bonus question, that means these questions are very important questions for the exam. Do try to learn these bonus questions. The bonus question here is, if two triangles are equiangular, then the corresponding sides are in the same proportion, that is A criteria. And others few similar questions I have given. Do try to discuss the questions with your teacher and try to solve all these questions perfectly, and also do solve similar questions from the textbook. Don't ignore the example questions from the textbook.